Real estate agents. Who are you getting your information from? Who is your coach? Who is your mentor? What rooms are you in? Who is your broker? Like, where are you learning from? If your coach, your mentor, your leader, the people that you're in business with, if you want to run a multi-million-dollar huge organization and build one, are the people you are coaching with, have they done that before? Are they currently doing that? If you're going to get a coach, don't you want a coach that has been where you want to go or currently is where you want to be? Like if you have a coach that is in real estate sales and they are struggling right now, do you want them coaching you through this market when they don't know how to get through this market? It's a bad idea. You need to surround yourself and pick a coach who knows how to get where you need to go, who knows how to get through these struggles, who knows how to win in this type of market. That's who you need to get yourself with. So I challenge you, when you are picking your next coach, your next broker, your next leader, investigate who they are. Like interrogate the reality of the situation. Are they where you want to be? How many homes are they selling right now? How big of an organization have they built? How are they doing in today's market right now when stuff is hard? Who are you getting your information from? If you study your people that you are going to learn and grow from, and they are absolutely not dominating in this market, or they haven't shown you how to build a huge company, I don't mean they inherited a multi-million-dollar company from their mom and dad. No, I mean someone who is actually built from the ground up, someone who has lost their own money, got their own butt kicked, had to learn and grow and build, someone who right now is going out in this market, taking listings, closing listings, taking buyers, closing buyers, building relationships, building the business now. Those are the people who are going to have the blueprint. Those are the people who are going to know exactly what you need to do to get where you want to go. Watch out who you align yourself with. Watch out who's coaching you. Ask them for details. Look at the numbers. Do the research. Study it. And choose to be in the best rooms with the best people, or you are setting yourself up for failure. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.